welcome back to my channel. Today I have my January Sephora Play unboxing to share with you. Let's go right ahead and see what we got. Here's what the bag looks like this month. It says 2018 Happy New Year. The first thing that I see is by Briogeo. It's their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And I have gotten this before in a BoxyCharm, the full size, and I really like it. So this is something nice to have. It would be great for travel. Next we have by Fresh their Rose Floral Toner. It says it's infused with soothing rose water. It hydrates and refreshes. It's a 20 milliliter. Here's the box it comes in. And there's what the actual little package looks like. Ideal for prepping the skin for makeup and refreshing the skin throughout the day, its pleasant natural aroma adds a mood-enhancing dimension to the experience. Directions are: gently apply with a cotton pad over the face and neck twice a day in the morning and evening until cotton pad comes away clean. Or simply spray directly onto the face with your eyes closed throughout the day to rehydrate the skin. For best results, follow with Rose Hydrating Face Cream. Next thing I'm really excited to try, I've thought about even buying a sample size of this to try it because I've heard so much about it, and it's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's their primer and moisturizer in one with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Here's a little package it comes in. And then you have a little glass bottle, it feels like. It's a little bitty thing. It's a 0.13 fluid ounce or 4 milliliters. It says on here, insane hydration, feather-like texture, all-in-one primer. Primerizer was created in our LA photo studio to replenish moisture and prep skin for makeup in one step. It plumps and moisturizes with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, sets in seconds so makeup goes on fast, insanely lightweight, and skin feels comfortable all day. It says to use, apply 1 to 2 pumps to fingertips and smooth over face before makeup. Can be used with or in place of moisturizer. Next we have by Anastasia Beverly Hills, one of their liquid lipsticks. It's in the shade Kristen. Oh, it's not a liquid lipstick, it's a lip gloss. Wow, I've never tried one of their lip glosses. Let's give it a quick swatch. Here's what the applicator looks like, just a flat paddle applicator. Now it's really pigmented for a gloss. Here's what the shade looks like. Next we have by Glam Glow their Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So it looks like a cleanser version of their clearing mask, maybe. It says squeeze a generous amount onto hands, add water, and vigorously rub hands together to create a foaming lather. Apply to dry face and massage over skin, rinse clean. Use AM and PM. And then the last thing that we have is by Clinique. It's their Pep Start Eye Cream. It's a 3 milliliter size. And that's all it says on it. Doesn't really say anything else other than eye cream, so I mean, it's kind of common sense what you do with that. And I did notice that they didn't give us a perfume sample this month, and they instead gave us, I guess, the Briogeo in place, which is nice because I don't really care for the perfume samples anyhow, and I'd rather get something like that instead of a scent that I probably won't like anyhow. That's all for this month's Sephora Play, guys. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you got. I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in signing up if you haven't already. It is just $10 a month. As always, thanks for watching. Bye!